Hi and welcome. Today we're looking at a product from Wahl. This is called the Manscaper, and what they say, they guarantee to safely trim on any terrain. No nick, no cuts, thanks to this wraparound guard to safely trim your groin. Safe touch, ballpoint blades, they claim, fully waterproof, so you can use it wet or dry, and 100 minutes cordless runtime. 20 cutting lengths, so it can be adjusted. It says advanced lithium power 2.0 precision ground, 5 years warranty. So this is a really good product here, and they say Wahl is the brand used by professionals. And yes, indeed, they have this clippers which are really good, and barbers are used them everywhere. They initially, this was with cable, but they also have now wireless ones. Really good blades from Wahl. On this other side, you can see what it contains. So this is for body grooming, and it contains the razor itself. It contains like the head, a cone, and then you have oil and the brush, to because every time before you use it is very good to brush, to oil the blade. And that's the USB charger, which is really nice to see. USB-A from what I can see, and that's the box itself. Wraparound safety guard, so that's the safety guard. Adjustable dial, so you can go up to 10, from 1 to 10, and is waterproof, so you can just wash it after. On the back, we'll see a few more information. Safe touch ballpoint blades, wraparound safety guard, pretty much the same information. Smart trim technology, LED power display indicates the battery life and charge level. And then they say in here 100 minutes runtime from 80 minutes charge, with a 3 minutes quick charge feature, delivering 3 minutes continual use. So that's really good, really good. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So yeah, that's the bag. Oh, it's actually quite nice. Plenty of storage in there, and it has a zipper, keep everything safe, and a handle as well, which is really nice to see. And then let's have a look what else it's in the box. Something we don't want. Okay guys, so let's carry on. So the bag, you've seen it, I'll show you in the end. You have instructions, very useful. Let's see if it says how big is the battery on this. Don't think it says that, so we don't know. But yeah, there you have the accessories, and I'm surprised they give you an extra oil, which is really good, very useful. Always oil the blades before. So that's the cone. Obviously it's for body, so you don't need a big cone for that. That's the proprietary port they use, and luckily this time it's a USB A port, which you can plug in into any USB A port on your extension lead, or if you have a power plug. And the device itself is very light, I have to say. Very light. It comes with this already pre-installed. That's where is the charging port, and then if you rotate this, you can see it's already turning on, and it shows in there also where you are: 2.5, 3, 3.5, and it goes all the way up to 10. As you can see, this is lifting up, so you can trim less hair. So let's go back to the minimum, which is 1, and this should protect you from cuts. This nice device, but you can also take it off, I think, if you want to try, but this probably will still catch a bit of skin, so that's why it's recommended to use this head. So let's just turn it on. You can see it's half battery. I want to say something. This is how you should deliver electronics that they are battery operated. They should have the battery half, 50%. Don't send them with full battery or totally discharged. It should be exactly like here. So well done, Wahl, for doing that. I have to say it's quite nice and calm. The buzz, I'll bring it closer to my microphone so you could hear. As you can see, the blades working in there. Really nice grip, really good size, so you can trim like this, you can trim like that, whichever it's easier for you. And when you charge it, let's just quickly see. So make sure you align this properly, because you see at the top it's a bit narrow, larger at the bottom, so you put it like that, fully in, and then let's just expand this. So let's plug this into a USB port, and really nice. It shows that it's charging. The dots are filling in and then empty again. So yeah, before you first use it, leave it to charge. It will take up to 80 minutes to fully charge from probably 0%. But yeah, that's fast charging as well. It's not much to say about it. Obviously it won't work while charging, which is good for safety reasons. So I'm gonna just try and trim a bit of my hair, see how it feels. As you can see, it's doing a really good job trimming out the hair. So yeah, see how it feels. Feels very smooth. And yeah, guys, there you have it. This is the Wahl Manscaper. Thanks for watching.